Hi, my name is Edmar Braga, BMW Genius here at BMW Ridgefield. You recently purchased a BMW from us and you realize that you don't know all functions and features of the vehicle yet. That's where our Encore program comes in. What is an Encore? It's a meeting with me or another BMW Genius here at BMW Ridgefield, where we can go over features and functions of your vehicle, like Bluetooth, navigation, BMW Assist, and we'll be able to answer any other questions about your vehicle. Not only will you know your vehicle inside and out, we'll top off any fluid under the hood, give you a free car wash, and a $25 gift card to our BMW boutique. If you would like to make an appointment, please reach out to me, Edmar, and we'll get you in as soon as possible. In the meantime, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for instructional and how-to videos. Thank you for watching.